Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and review the best tools on the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you DIY enthusiasts and woodworkers out there. We're going to take an in-depth look at the SKIL 6.2 amp 10-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press with laser alignment and work light. And spoiler alert, it might just be the best drill press you can get your hands on. So, stay tuned as we dive into the features and benefits of this incredible tool. First things first, let's talk about what makes this SKIL drill press stand out from the crowd. It's powered by a robust 6.2 amp induction motor that can handle wood, metal, and various materials with ease. The 5-speed system, ranging from 610 to 2800 RPM, allows you to tailor your drilling experience to different material types, ensuring precision and efficiency. And guess what? It's not just any drill press. It comes with a laser alignment system to make sure your drilling maneuvers are executed with pinpoint accuracy. Plus, it has a handy LED work light that illuminates your workspace, making your projects easier and safer. Now, let's delve into the key features that make this SKIL drill press a top contender. The adjustable depth stop ensures consistent drilling depth, and the adjustable table height provides easy control over the depth of your drill. With a chuck size of 1/2 inch, it's versatile enough to handle various drill bits, and the keyed chuck makes changing them a breeze. Oh, and don't forget, it's powered by a corded electric source for reliable performance. Quality matters, and when you get your hands on this drill press, you'll be impressed by its build. It's designed to withstand the demands of serious DIYers and woodworkers. Assembly is a breeze. The package includes everything you need to get it up and running quickly. Just follow the straightforward instructions, and you'll have this beauty ready to roll in no time. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear what some actual users have to say about their experience with the SKIL 6.2 amp 10-inch benchtop drill press. Many users have found it to be a reliable and powerful tool for their woodworking projects. Some have even praised the precision of the laser alignment system, making it a game-changer for their work. Of course, there are a few minor quirks, but overall, it's been a solid performer for many. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, here's the exciting part. It's currently available at a Black Friday deal price of just $169, down from the list price of $199. And if you're outside the United States, make sure to check for compatibility before purchasing, as this product is designed for use in the US. So, there you have it, folks, the SKIL 6.2 amp 10-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press with laser alignment and work light. It's powerful, precise, and packed with features that make it an absolute standout in its category. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out with DIY projects, this drill press has got your back. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools for your toolbox. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Until next time, happy drilling!